Assalamu alaikum students. In this lecture we are going to solve unit number 2, squares and square roots. Exercise number 2, question number 4, part 2, 4 and 6. In previous lecture we have done question number 3, find the positive square roots of the decimal numbers by division method. Now we are going to solve question number 4, find the positive square roots of these mixed fractions. So let's start. I have done here part number 2 for you. 7 9/16 is a mixed fraction. First of all we have to convert it into the simple fraction. So how to do it? We multiply 7 with 16 and add 9 into the answer. So 7 multiplied by 16 we get 112 and then we are going to add 9 in it. So we get 121. 121 is the answer. So this answer we write here in the numerator and the denominator will be the same as it is in the mixed fraction. So we get 121/16 is the simple fraction. Now taking square root 121/16. Here I write sum of the squares. 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9. As you know, when you what is the meaning of square? We multiply the number 2 times to get the square of any number. So here you can see 121 is the square of 11. That means when you multiply 11 2 times you will get 121, and when you will multiply 4 2 times you will get 16. So actually we factorize this number. So 121 having two factors, 11 and 11. 16 is also having two factors, 4 and 4. We make square of them, 11 square and 4 square. Now we know that square and square root are cancelled by each other. How it is cancelled? You know that we write under root in the power form as 1/2. We know that when two powers occur at a time, they will multiply. So when 2 multiply by 1/2, 2 will cancel with 2, so remaining answer will become 11. So here 2 and square root are cancelled, so remaining answer is 11/4. This 11/4 we must divide. When you divide 11 by 4 you will get 2 3/4. Why we write the answer in mixed fraction? Because the original question what is given in the mixed fraction, so we must convert this fraction to the mixed fraction. This is the next question, question number 4, 9/67/121. So this is also a mixed fraction. So first of all we will convert it into the simple fraction. So the process is the same. We will multiply 9 with 121 and add the answer into the 67. So we will get 1156 divided by 121. And now we are going to find the square root of this simple fraction, applying the square root separately on numerator and denominator. And the next we will find the square root of this number 121. We know that 121 is the square of 11, so the square root of 121 is 11, because square root and squares are opposite to each other. You can find the square root of this number by the division method. You know that how to find the square root by division method. So making pair of the number from right side, then divide the first pair, and we are using the squares. So here we can't write the square of 2 because 2 is 4 and 4 is the very smallest number than 11. Then then we try the next square of the next square is 3, and 3 3s are 9. So 9 is here, and we are adding the same number from which we multiply this number. So 3 plus 3 is 6, and the next number is 1. Next number, so the next number is 256. So we divide this 256 by 64. 64 multiplied by 4 you will get 456. So 34 is the answer. And if you want to find out the square root of 121 by division method, so you can do it like this, but you must memorize at least first 20 squares of the numbers. So here 34/11 is the square root of these two numbers. So now what is to next? We divide this 34 by 11, so you will get 3 1/11. Here is the next question, part number 6. 6 over 8 1 over 6. Here is a fraction, but in the denominator we have a mixed fraction, so first of all we convert this into the simple fraction. So solve this mixed fraction. 8 multiplied by 6 and adding 1 into it, it gives 49. 49 over 6. This fraction is same as the division. We know that fraction and division are the same, so I write here this fraction as a division. So here 6 divided by 49 over 6. In the next we convert this division into multiplication. When we convert this division into multiplication, the next fraction will make its reciprocal. 6 becomes the numerator and 49 becomes denominator. So here we have 6 multiplied by 6 over 49, so 6 6 are 36 over 49. Now this is the simplified form of this fraction. So 36 over 49. Now taking square root of 36 and 49 like this. Now applying separately square root on the both. Now we know that what is the square root of 36, that is 6, and what is the square root of 49, that is 7. This is the answer. Thank you.